Ra ra Roma Roma ma ga ga ooh la la. What's your bad romance? Ra ra Roma Roma ma ga ga ooh la la. What's your bad romance? I want your ugly, I want your disease, I want your everything as long as it's free. I want your love.
Hey, Corner Squad, this your girl Shaquena coming to you loud, live, and in color. Hey, my people. Hey, my people. I know I've done this video before, but I'm going to do it again because I messed it up the last time. I am going to show y'all how I cook eggs in the microwave. So let's just get started, shall we? Okay, I am back, y'all. I have my bowl, that little blue bowl. Yeah, it's so pretty. I have a red one too, but I'm not going to use the red one today. I'm going to use the blue one. And I have my eggs, y'all. Okay, so let's get started. I got my salt. And I got my pepper. And I got my spray. Like I showed y'all before. First, what you're going to do is... Oh, shoot. See? First, what you're going to do is... You're going to... shake the spray up. Let me get it out the camera. Gonna shake the spray. You're gonna spray the bowl as good as possible. And that's what the bowl looks like. Okay. And what I do is I take the top off of the pepper. No, I don't. No, I don't, because I put too much in that last time. I'm just going to shake a little bit of the pepper here in my bowl. Just like this. That's the pepper that you see. Okay. And I'm going to shake some salt in the bowl as well. Just like that. Okay. I'm going to shake up the eggs. And I am going to open the eggs. Ooh, oh, my strength. Okay. I ain't going to pour a lot because I'm not going to eat a lot. Okay. Let me show you. Okay, now I'm finna put the eggs into the microwave. I have my fork right here on top of 2 napkins. And I'm going to put my eggs in the microwave. So, let me get to the microwave right quick like. Let me take the top out. And when you put the eggs in the microwave, y'all, you do not have to worry about splashing. So you're going to have to put this on top of the eggs, because there is no splashing when you cook eggs in the microwave. And I'm going to put it on, let me see, I'm going to put it on 5 minutes. And I'm going to let it cook. And I always take it down to 2 minutes. So I will be right back, y'all. Okay, y'all. This is the eggs. They're not all the way cooked yet, but I'm going to scramble the eggs. So this is how I scramble the eggs. Okay, that's me scrambling up the eggs. Okay. I'm going to put it back in the microwave. And I'm going to restart the microwave. So, be right back. Okay, this is what the eggs look like before I scramble them up. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video on how to cook microwave eggs. If you made it to the end of this long video, y'all, put microwavable eggs in the comment section. And until next time, like I always say, have fun playing with your nails if you wear nails, or if you're growing your own. Have fun playing with your makeup if you wear makeup, or if you're just learning for the first time. And y'all, please live life, because God only gives you one. Bye.